the voices of the Filipinos is really world class. Sabi niya, I want to sing. Okay, gusto niya sumample. Okay.
Sige. Pero first, ikaw walhan ako. Sing with me. Sige.
I think you're gonna sing something really heartfelt, emotional love song, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want to hear it. Let's go.
Sige.
O sige!
Ang galing! Ay, pag ako uulan, wag, babagyo.
Sampol!
Mamaya. Hahanap. May manok. Okay, guys. Before we bring out our next singer, let me give you a little bit of a teaser, and then let's see kung kaya nyo hulaan kung sino to, okay? She is a talented singer and songwriter, certainly made quite an impact in the music industry with her powerful vocals and chart-topping songs. Her rise to fame particularly after winning Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 2, and her incredible achievements including her success of Mahega and Sitwasyonship, immense talent and popularity. Guys, kaya niyo hulaan? Yes! Ang galing. Magaling na kumanta. Great singers, great guessers. Alright guys, please give a